Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 37a, in which we will take words with mad. Mad means to stretch. And you know what? You get enough time to ponder the message as the words are stretched. Let's take most important mad types. There are two types: original mad and secondary mad. What is original mad? It is alif mad, ya mad, or waw mad, just like in qala, fihi, hudu, and you have studied all of these. Let's take secondary mad. Secondary mad is of three types, and these are important types. There can be others also. So let us take the first one among them, the attached mad. What do you mean by attached mad? When you have alif mad, ya mad, waw mad followed by hamza within a word, and you have to stretch it up to 4 or 5 times, and a simple measurement is open your 4 fingers like ja'a, or 5 ja'a. So repeat after me. We will stretch 5 times. Ja'a, ja'a, sha'a, sha'a, su'un, su'un, ulaika, ulaika, haulai, haulai, yasha'u, yasha'u, as-samai, as-samai, Isra'ila, Isra'ila. Now I'm stretching this. Don't do this while reciting the Quran. It is only for giving you an idea as to how much you should stretch. Let's take the second type, which is lazim mad. What is lazim mad? When you have alif mad, ya mad, waw mad followed by sukoon or shadda within a word, and you have to stretch it 6 times. So you add one more haraka. So let us take the practice. Repeat after me. Al-ana, al-ana, jannun, jannun, waladdallin, waladdallin. Let's take the third type, which is separated mad. When you have alif mad, ya mad, waw mad at the end of first word followed by hamza in the beginning of second word, and you can stretch it 2 times or up to 5 or 6 times. We will stretch it only twice. Repeat. Ma unzila, ma unzila, ya ayyuhan nasu, ya ayyuhan nasu. Remember, ya and ayyuha are 2 words. It is joined here. Qalu amanna, qalu amanna, la ilaha illahu, la ilaha illahu. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.